Good morning, my effervescent bottomless glasses of champagne. How are you guys doing today? I'm doing good. I'm pretending like it's the morning, but it's really late and I'm exhausted, so let's make some potpourri. I've dried out some apples right here. This is one apple. I put this in my food dehydrator because I have one. If you don't worry about it. Put it in the oven really low. Just let it go until it's crispy. This is an orange. It dried really well. It might have gone too long because they're not supposed to be this dark, but what are we gonna do? Dehydrate another orange? Ain't nobody got time for that. These took about a day in my dehydrator. They would take probably 2, 3, 4 hours in the oven on really low. This is some cinnamon. Dollar Tree used to sell those big packs of cinnamon sticks, but they don't anymore. So if you go to the Mexican section, by the taco stuff, you can find that Fiesta. Is that what it said? I can't remember. They're like $1.24 or something, and I've just got some cloves here. They don't smell like much, but out of everything I'm adding to this, they smell the most like something. I have some bay leaves, which are really just here for some color. I don't know why I'm smelling everything. Got a pine cone. Don't smell like nothing, because it came from a floral pick. This is warm maple syrup potpourri from Dollar Tree. We're gonna have to have a talk, Dollar Tree, because I feel wronged. I'm humiliated. I feel ripped off. I'm confused. I thought we were friends. This stuff. I have lost my words. I don't expect much from Dollar Tree. I do expect them to not put like old lawn clippings in a bag and call it potpourri. I don't know what any of this stuff is. Those are like some nutshells. Those look like elm seeds. Don't know what this thing is, but it was a pretty color. That's a piece of a pine cone maybe? I don't know. Another thing? Thought that was a morel mushroom. I don't know. What is this? What's going on? But the good thing is we're just using this to take up some space because we're going to put all our pretty stuff on top. Now see that? You know what that is? That's a leaf. That's a dried leaf from a tree that they put in a bag and sold to me for $1. And even though it says warm maple syrup, it smells like nothing. If anything, it just smells slightly warm. Not spicy, it's got something. Throw that leaf out of there. If you get a leaf, throw it out there. Bring it back to the store and tell me you want another bag because yours had leaves in it. And I'm just using this as a base because it's not that attractive. Like, I wouldn't want to put that in a bowl. Somebody would be like, hey, what are you doing with this? Are you hoarding your lawn clippings now? But we're going to fix it up. So I'm putting in the bay leaves. They are just there for color. My cinnamon sticks are going in because you know what cinnamon is. Like, you know what a cinnamon stick looks like. They have a little bit of smell, a little bit of a fragrance, but not much. The cloves have a nice, spicy, clovey smell. You can also use some star anise, stuff like that. Got my apples. And the star of the show here is these oranges. And I'm just trying to arrange them without making it look too arranged. I did one apple and one orange, and I probably had enough left over to do a whole nother batch this size. So if you wanted to make this for some presents for Christmas, you could get 1 bag of potpourri, 2 bags of the cinnamon sticks, a couple, maybe a thing of cloves, apple, orange. You good. I'm smelling it now. Smells kind of orange, kind of clovey, kind of bland. But we have a secret weapon, okay? Don't tell anybody else about this. If you're one of the 7 people who watch my video, don't tell anybody else about pure citrus. As you can see, this says natural all over the bottle. Natural non-aerosol. Eliminate odors naturally. Derived from 100% natural oils extracted from citrus. Fresh oranges, whatever it says. This is powerful. This is not something that you spray around your house like Glade. I bought it, the first time I bought it, I came home, sprayed it a little bit, and I was like, oh, that smells so good. Proceeded to spray it all over my house and spent the next 4 hours, like, outside with all the windows open because it was so strong and my dog was freaking out. Also, I can't spray this in my house too much, not only because it's so strong, but as you can see, it's an oil. I don't know if it's 100% natural, organic, gluten-free orange oil, but it's oil, and it leaves a residue. You can see right here, it leaves a residue, and I have tile floors all throughout my house. So not only was I slipping in it, I was passing out because it smelled too much. But this stuff's like $4 at Walmart. If you buy it and use it in this, it'll last you, I'd say, over a year. One spritz every couple of days, and it's really every couple of days because it is strong. There's a UPC if you want to look it up or try to scan it. I don't know why I did that. But yeah, here's our little harvesty potpourri. It'd be cute packaged in mason jars or in little bags with some labels on it. Give it a couple spritz and send it on its way. I hope you guys like this video. It was a quick, short one I just wanted to film because I like potpourri, especially when it's pretty and oily like this. So please comment, like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, all that good stuff. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.